Hi there, this is our short magazine multi-feed bar feed to go in conjunction with a CNC. We've gone and taken the guards off it and bypassed the wee safety interlocks so we can run it so you can see it operating. Single phase. And all I can really show you is its manual operation. It'd need to be interfaced with a CNC to work on auto, obviously. So I'll try and show you its basic functions. So basically there's the bar stock coming in onto your V there. And oh no, wrong one, yep. And once that stock's loaded in the V, you can use this here to push it up to the actual spindle of your lathe. I don't know if you can see that operating. Oopsie. And then once it's up to the spindle, you use the main one here, which pushes it through as far as you want to. And that's all the basic operation I can really show you with this machine. So there it is. It's English made. It's ticking over there nicely. It looks as though it'll be able to go in conjunction with our Akuma that we've got advertised, and it's all set to